As you can see, what does it look time for? Look at the ingredients. I'm going to make an anabolic French toast. So first step, you crack 1 or 2 eggs, maybe 3 if you're okay with not just having the egg white, or you could do a few whole eggs. It's your choice, but I did 2 eggs, and I also did about 1/3 of the egg whites. Normally I do not buy a lot of egg whites because I like to eat eggs as a whole. I skipped 2 steps, so I would add maybe about 1/2 cup, 1/3 of a cup of Fairlife milk, and some ground cinnamon, and then stir it up. Then the next step, I will put a slice of bread. Normally I prefer like a more moisty-ish bread or more of a whiter bread or challah bread, but I put some multigrain, so it's going to be a little harder to make it with multigrain, but it's going to have to soak a bit longer too. So there we go. I'm going to have to do this. I don't have a vanilla extract, but normally you would put some vanilla extract, but I'll do it without. So next I will heat the pot, and you see this? I'm going to put some of the vegan Earth Balance butter because I don't eat regular butter. So as you see, I didn't overdo the butter because this is a non-stick pan, and too much butter might be like too much like not too good. Butter's like more towards the top part of the top part of the food pyramid, so you better have it in moderation. So I'll put the bread on the pan or the pot, whatever you like to call it. There we go. See, this is the product of how this is made, and it's still in the process of being made. If you may not have enough bread or don't want to use as much bread, you could make some scrambled eggs with the eggs. See this? You could also feel free to add maple syrup, not too much, or maybe if you like a low sugar maple syrup. I'm not good at low sugar products because I don't prefer some of the chemicals that could be added to the sugarless syrups. And personally, I don't like to put too much maple syrup. If anything, I just maybe add maybe a little bit. But if you're on the other side and you want to be a bit healthier, you could maybe add some fruit to the anabolic French toast. Bon appetit, everyone. To all of you, bon appetit.